my gosh, look at that. Oh. So most of the time you'll find the cabin air filter is going to be situated above the fan. So when you turn the fan on in the car, the heat or the air conditioner, most of the time that's what the air that's blowing up, the cabin air filter is going through that. So here it is here. One is pretty simple. Go on these tabs, drop it down. Another tab. Just a matter of trying to find a way to slide out. And there comes mine. Oof, look at that. I haven't changed mine in ages, so we're going to replace that. Brand spanking new one. So they sell these Fram ones. I like them. They smell like air freshener. Package. Febreze. Freshen out. Make a difference if you blend it a little bit. New cabin air filters in. Bye bye musty smell. I'll box back up. Bang. Done.